their MuggyWeld.com testimonial using the 77 cast iron electrode. Customer Scott Yurgis is stick welding a 350 Chevy for a fishing boat. We have a broken corner of a cast iron block where the starter attaches. Scott used a 40-year-old Buzz box for the job. He picked the used motor out of a wrecking yard. He said it appears clean and tight and said the compression was above spec. Scott describing his welding process. A little preheat, first pass flows well. I welded roughly 1 inch at a time. I never got the cast above 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The 77 Muggy rod built up well with no issues at all. I used a needle scaler to remove the slag. Very little porosity, finished nicely. Repaired it in my garage. Thanks MuggyWeld.com, your welding rod is incredible. It made for an easy repair for something I was dreading. And I've already told some guys about your product. Thanks again, Scott Yurgis. Scott, thank you for giving us a shot and looking beyond your local welding supply. Here's a video of the engine installed and running. And here's Scott's son and family enjoying their boat. Hey everyone, make sure to subscribe to our channel by hitting this button and view these videos to see the 77 rod in action. One more thing, if somebody says it can't be welded or brazed, just tell them to Muggy weld it.